side, baby. You know me better than that. You think I'd leave you down when you're on your knees. I wouldn't do that.
Why on earth would you believe that I am your possession? That I exist solely for the purpose of pleasing you, of satisfying your ego and your never-ending diabolical desires, of harboring all your insecurities, Mr. Reasons why you don't feel man enough and low self-esteem. I don't understand why I need to apologize.
I need you guys to help me sing this one.
Hi, so my name is Beth Coltart. I'm 20 years old and I've grown up in Bulawayo. I'm a student right now in Cape Town and I love the show so much. It was such a vibe, so chilled. I felt so relaxed and like I was at home. I loved how much variety there was, that there was poetry, that they were singing, that there was the guy at the end who came with the more sort of rap vibes. It was very interactive as well, like the crowd was joined in a lot, which was awesome. So I loved all of that. You know, there was happy songs, there was sad songs, there were deep poems. Like it was thought-provoking as well. So I just loved the variety of it.
Hello everybody, my name is Sox, the poet, and yeah, I just found myself here at the Acoustic Night and it has been a great experience. I think the highlight of the show for me was Tandipala. I enjoyed the vocals, I enjoyed the performance, and even the entire space of it. It was accommodating, and I also loved the fact that it was an intimate show whereby people can get to listen and relate with the artists, get to know their art, and artists can even grow. I enjoyed also the fact that there was like snacks as well. People who enjoy snacks, they're actually a unifier. We enjoyed it so much.
Basically, the whole show was amazing. Getting to see new artists, getting to see different talents, getting to experience the whole atmosphere of the artistic in a unique way. It was quite a journey and an experience. I enjoyed every bit of it.
She sounds so nice, eh?
So yeah, this has really been a great experience and I really hope and look forward to the next show. Thanks a lot.